Listen, I'm taking a coquito break. I got my glass of water here. But don't worry, the coquito's coming back in the kitchen. But now we're gonna get all into the rice. You know I'm the rice king, but we're making arroz con condules, one of my favorite rice dishes of all time. You need to have the right olives. You need to dice up the ham. You need that sofrito, so don't forget, go back and click on that episode to watch how to make the perfect sofrito. You got the condules, which are pigeon peas. And in this recipe, I got my mom's touch. One pot, I did all the dicing already. Come with me on the stove, and we're gonna make it right now really quick. So I have my pot here nice and warm. We're using 2 cups of rice. I have a 6-quart pot, so we have plenty of room for the steam to come out, for the rice to grow. So I put some oil in the pan here. We're gonna throw in our sofrito. We want that sofrito to toast. So don't worry, the rice is gonna be fluffy and delicious. The bottom, I'm gonna have the concon. I'm gonna have the pegao. I'm gonna show you, don't worry. I'm gonna throw in garlic powder, cumin, adobo, dry oregano. Gonna toast that up really nice. I'm gonna put in my ham. A little tomato sauce. Now I'm not talking about ragu or prego. Just simple canned tomato sauce. I love to take the olives and just break it up. Then my rice. And then I'm gonna toast up this rice really nice in the pot to incorporate everything really, really good. The magic touch, you gotta put the sazon, a little sprinkle, throw in the condules. And then here we go, I'm gonna show you the trick. Even that rice up nice in the pan, and then you're gonna drop the water. So put your finger right on top of the rice. Don't burn yourself. Put your finger on the top of the rice, and then pour in the water. Mix up the rice, you mix it up. That water should get to the first knuckle on your finger. You put the top right on. Every abuelita in the world has showed me the finger trick. It works every time. The rice will come out perfect. This is gonna cook for 35 minutes. Listen, you saw me use that pot to give y'all, that was a blue pot. Now I'm gonna show you in the green pot where I was cooking the arroz con condules ahead of time, because you know it needs a little bit of time. So let me show you the big reveal in the green pot. My beautiful arroz con condules. Woo, I'm ready for this. Oh my goodness. Now that smells like my grandma's kitchen. That's every abuelita will love this. Now you're gonna fluff this rice. You get an olive in every bite. You get that one olive by itself. I got the coquito flowing. We got the condules done. Hey, thanks for watching me on A Christmas with JJ, because every recipe you cook with me means that I'm bringing my family into your home, and that's what it's all about. Merry Christmas.